At first glance, they are just like any other kid, oblivious to everything that is going around them whenever they are holding their favorite toy. Yet, when one takes a closer look or spend more time with them, it becomes apparent that they are not like any other kid. They prefer to be alone all the time. Even the slightest touch or sound may evoke a reaction from them, which is quite different from the usual. It is as if they live in a world of their own, which is actually the case because they have autism.
Actually, when she was born, she just born like any other child. She's born normal, and she's able to count and talk until she's 18 months. 18 months, then she become less talk.
Autism affects 1 in every 150 children. And boys are 4 times more likely to have it than girls. Studies also show that autism is now the fastest growing developmental disability in the world. If not knowing what causes this disability is bad enough, more frustrating is not having a definite cure for it, especially to parents.
Ya, autisme itu merupakan suatu gangguan yang kompleks ya, dan merupakan suatu gangguan neurobiologis yang merupakan satu dari kelompok gangguan perkembangan pervasif pada anak.
It is difficult, and I think the feeling is undescribable. And for me and for my husband and for the whole family. It even's worse when we found out that there is no curing for autism.
Memang sangat berat, sangat sulit. Dari hari ke hari ke tahun itu saya alamin saya depresi berat, sehingga saya migrain, kepala saya sakit sebelah, saya merasakan sakit. Setiap hari dia cuma bisa menjerit.
Kids with autism see the world differently than most kids do. They have trouble making sense of things or linking words with their meanings. Imagine when a person smiles or laughs, you know that they are happy. A child with autism does not see it that way. They see the smile but cannot understand. Why? Because they cannot associate that smile with happiness. However, this is just one example. Autism is a very complex disability. That is why early detection is very important. If a child shows any of the following signs, it is best to consult a doctor immediately.
Tentu saja dengan deteksi dini kita bisa mengetahui tingkat keparahan, tingkat beratnya daripada autis tersebut, di mana apabila kita sudah ketahui tingkatnya apakah itu ringan, sedang ataupun berat, kita bisa lakukan terapi lebih dini tentu saja ya. Yang berhubungan terutama dengan latihan konsentrasi, dengan latihan kepatuhan, latihan bersosialisasi dengan orang lain. Semakin banyak terapi yang dilakukan, diharapkan bisa setidaknya membuat anak ini bisa lebih in contact with other people gitu.
Indeed, Rearing a child with autism or any child with special needs is very challenging. A definite cure may still be elusive right now, but it doesn't mean that there is no hope. With the support of family and friends, everything is possible. Furthermore, there are various groups that are ready and willing to give a hand. One of these is the LSPR Cares for Autism Center for Autism Awareness. From therapy to workshops to resource materials, campaigns in creating awareness, this group would provide a much needed assistance for parents and children with special needs.
Saya berharap dari Autism Awareness Festival ini banyak dari kita semua mengambil manfaat dari kegiatan ini, karena pada saat ini banyak sekali sudah pakar yang ditampilkan yang memberikan pencerahan atau pengetahuan tentang autism, dan juga kita dapat melihat bagaimana anak-anak autis itu berkarya ya, mulai dari lukisan hingga performance, sehingga mudah-mudahan juga bisa menimbulkan harapan buat orang tua bahwa anak-anak autism ini mereka juga punya kelebihan yang tak kurang dari anak-anak normal lainnya. Dan saya juga ingin memberikan pesan bahwa kita sebagai orang biasa yang mempunyai dunia sendiri, yang mana juga anak-anak autism itu sering disebut mempunyai dunianya sendiri. Bagaimana kalau kita berbagi sebahagian dari dunia kita dan sebahagian dari dunia mereka, kita jadikan satu. Tentu ini semua membutuhkan effort yang sangat luar biasa. Bagaimana untuk kita berbagi kepada anak-anak autis ini, yaitu dengan effort kita tadi, dengan intervention, dengan kasih sayang, dengan sentuhan, dengan menerima mereka, memahami mereka, sehingga kita pun dapat menjadi bahagian dari dunia mereka.
Because just being with people who go through similar situations can truly work wonders. So join us. The London School of Public Relations Jakarta Cares for Autism Center for Autism Awareness with hotline number 081 511 300 225.